Hello, dear students. Let us understand about operation strategy in this session. So, the basic contents we are going to deal today is introduction part of operation strategy and how effective operating strategies will work out. And next is the implementation. First, introduction. So, overview of operation strategy is something that creating a proper framework and plan. So to run a business and how to organize with the resources that we have. So how to guide that with the proper flow. So for that, operation strategy helps a lot. So we'll be having certain resources like land, labor, capital and all, and how to apply those resources or implement those resources into the production field. And that is what the process is, which will give us an output, okay, as finished goods. So the entire thing will happen only because of this operations strategy. Clear? So next is role in business success. So how this operation strategy, how we are integrating this with business success. So where it is not an easiest task, it is very crucial, of course. So to sustain in this competitive world, so competitive advantage is a popular term that we all know. And there are so many process that we need to do. That is what optimizing efficiency, which is given here. Optimizing is like everything should be in a clear cut way, so that process, input, process and output, that things that happen in a smooth way, and literally it gives customer satisfaction with no doubts. No, that is a thing. So if all these things happen, the next process, the next thing that we'll be achieving is profitability. Okay, so next, so key components. First one, capacity planning. Next is process design. So capacity planning, where it determines the production capacities, how much can able to produce. So in this, changing demands, fluctuating demands for the product, sometimes, based on the seasonal periods, ups and downs will be there for the demand of products. Okay. So, and to how to plan all these things, this capacity planning will be helpful. And next one is process design. So it literally focuses on, workflows. Okay. So how that entire workflow should happen. Okay, several steps, several areas from first step to second, three, four. So many steps will be there. Okay, so many process, and next finally we can able to get that final output, right? So that is what mentioned here: a selection of technology, selection of equipment, even selection of layout, all these things. Okay, so process design. So developing an effective operations strategy. So internal capabilities, like, of course, first one is SWOT analysis, understanding the strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats within the organization. And next is resource evaluation. So resource evaluation, again, what is resource over here? Physical resources, human, financial assets, all these, or they are telling about manpower. Okay, all kind of physical resources like equipments, machineries and all. And next is what? Capital. Okay, and next is market analysis, so understanding market needs. And next is competitive landscape. So what is the actual need that customers what asking? So produce those products. And next is competitive landscape. So implementation of operation strategy. One is lean management techniques. Next one is quality management systems. So lean management techniques literally focuses on reducing waste, streamlining the process, enhancing the value for customers. If it comes to quality management, how we can give the better quality, like monitoring, controlling, and continuous quality improvement. So next is key performance indicators and continuous process improvement, improvement process, all these things. So again, it all comes under performance measurement. So this is the entire thing about operation strategy, where we all need to know. So